Hello my dear students and my dear friends, how are you all? I hope so that you all are good. As you know that I am Puneet Dutt and my channel is basically based on posting of motivational videos and as well as posting of videos on some important topics and facts in relation with history, civics of India and of the world. Thank you so much that you all are giving me full support. Thank you so much. Stay blessed everyone. As you know that my aim is to do something good for the society, to do something good for you all. Now, my dear students and my dear friends, today I am here to explain what do we mean by fundamental rights, and as well as in this video I'll tell you about 6 basic freedoms guaranteed by our constitution under one of the fundamental right, that is right to freedom. Okay, let's start our work. My dear student and my dear friend, I think so we all should know the meaning of fundamental rights. Okay, fundamental rights. Fundamental rights are basic human rights. Please listen to me carefully. Fundamental rights are basic human rights which provides conditions essential for all-round development of a human being. Next thing is, they protect people against unjust discrimination among the members of the community. Okay, amongst the member of the community, they don't make distinctions between the human beings based on race, color, sex, religion or other such considerations. Okay, we are talking about fundamental right only. They give recognition to dignity and equality of all human beings. I think so you have got it. This is the meaning of fundamental rights. Now, as I told you, my dear students and my dear friends, I'll tell you about 6 basic freedoms guaranteed by our constitution under one of the fundamental right, that is right to freedom. Okay, I'll tell you one by one. First one is freedom of speech and expression. Okay, freedom of speech and expression. Second one is freedom to assemble peacefully without arms. Freedom to assemble peacefully without arms. Then the third one is freedom to form associations and unions. Freedom to form associations and unions. Then the fourth one is freedom to move freely throughout India. Freedom to move freely throughout India. Then the fifth one is freedom to reside and settle in any part of India. Freedom to reside and settle in any part of India. And the sixth one is freedom to practice any profession. Freedom to practice any profession, trade or business. Trade or business. Freedom to practice any profession, trade or business. So I think so you have got it. Now, my dear students and my dear friends, I want to tell you one more thing. Although we have fundamental rights with us, fundamental rights are there for us, but please do remember that fundamental rights have certain limitations. Fundamental rights are not absolute. We all should follow the rules and regulations given in our constitution. We all should give respect to our constitution. We all should give respect to our country, and we all should feel proud that we all are living in India, that this is our country, and we all should give respect to our country. Thank you so much that you all are listening to me. As I told you, my aim is to do something good for the society. Definitely I'll come back again with more videos, with more information for you. Stay blessed everyone. Thank you so much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.